Hey everybody, I know it's been a minute since I've posted in the membership here, but today I've got a video for you. So I'm going to be doing some little mini bagels. They're going to be 2 ingredients, super easy, and they're just light and fluffy, great little snack. They have a fair amount of protein in them, and I think you're going to enjoy it. But before we get into the recipe, I wanted to share with you something that I've been doing on my daily walks. It's something that's really easy to do, and it's helping to improve muscle and also bone health. And it's the super cute weighted vest. Now this one is only 4 pounds. I've just started using it, and believe me, 4 pounds is plenty if you're just starting out. And wearing a weighted vest, there's studies that show that it can really help with your bone health, bone density. It helps you more of a weight-bearing exercise. And this one is 4 pounds, but they go way up. I mean, you can get some really heavy ones. And it's super easy. You just put it on like this, and it just snaps in the front, and it's really comfortable. And I like it because it also helps my posture. It helps me stand up a little bit straighter. So you just, put it on, walk. I use it, I did buy a little walking pad as well. So if for some reason I don't get outside to do my walk, I can do my walking on my little walking pad. And I just wear my little vest here, and it just helps me burn more calories, and I get a really good workout. So I'm going to leave a link to this down below, and I will leave a link to my walking pad as well. I think I got that one on TikTok Shop, or maybe it was Amazon. I don't know. I looked at so many different ones. I'm not sure which one I ended up with, but I really like it. And it's a great way to get those steps in, which really helps us as we get older to get that activity in, keep us agile, keep us mobile, which is so important as we get older. We want to be able to work on our muscle strength so it keeps us upright and we're not so likely to fall, break a hip or any other bone, and just keep us healthy. So like I said, I'll put the links down below if you want to check those out. All right, let's get on with our recipe. So the first ingredient is almond flour, and I just got this from Trader Joe's, and I need 240 grams, which is about 2 cups of almond flour. I'm going to use my scale. And hopefully I have enough in this bag. I have another bag just in case. Next up, I'm using 1 cup of unflavored plain yogurt. This is vegan yogurt, of course. It's Greek yogurt. I like to use the Greek yogurt, more protein. Then we're just going to mix this all together till it's well combined. And if you need to add a little bit of water, if it's not quite wet enough, then you can add a little bit of water. All right, I'm just going to continue mixing this up, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to make our little mini bagels. So I'm just weighing the whole ball here, and I'm going to divide it into 6 equal parts. So that'll be about 67 grams around. So I'm going to reset. And that's 48. It's a little bit too big. There we go, 67. So I'm going to make 6 balls about this size, and then I'm going to show you how we put this all together. So I've got my oven heated to 375, and so what I did was, you got your ball, stuck my thumb in there, make a hole, and then just kind of work it out a little bit. And onto your baking sheet here. These will cook for about 20-25 minutes until they're golden. So I'm just going to finish making my little balls here. And you want to work a little quickly because they do start to dry out, and then you can see they start to crack a little bit. So you can wet your hands and that'll kind of help a little bit. Okay. And these are just going to be your little mini bagels. Now this is optional. You can brush on a little bit of soy milk here. This is also going to help my toppings stay on, but it will also help get them to brown up a little bit. Because we don't want to use any oil. Then we're just going to put on some everything but the bagel seasoning, just to give them a little bit more flavor and some different texture. And I love this stuff. And you can go as heavy as you want, and then just kind of pat it in. Or you could leave them plain. All right, so we'll go in, oops. All right, I think that looks good enough. All right, let's put these in the oven and then I'll show you what they look like at the very end. And here we have our perfect little mini bagels. Look at that, they came out just perfect. And you could put some avocado on here, mash up some avocado, maybe a little hummus, a little tomato, and you've got the perfect little bite-sized bagel. All right, final product. I just put a little avocado on here and then a little bit of that everything but the bagel seasoning, and let's give it a taste. Mmm. Super light and fluffy. This will make a perfect snack, so I hope you give it a try. So I hope you enjoyed this little video with the mini bagel recipe, and then I hope you check out the weighted vest that I showed you, and like I said, it comes in all different sizes. I started with the 4-pound, which has been perfect for me, and I'll probably upgrade as time goes on. Again, I appreciate you guys so much, and I will probably do one more video this month, and then I'm going to reevaluate and see if I'm going to continue. So, until next time, thank you.